Hi y'all, this is Susy from Soilmates of Georgia. Today I am going to be pruning this squash plant. It's actually 4 in here. I did overcrowd it just a tad and now I am paying for it. It had tiny little squashes and they all fell. I'm not quite sure why. Maybe things weren't strong enough. Now they're definitely strong. There's a lot of flowers and just a lot going on here. And yes, there are a lot of bugs, which is a good thing because if there's nothing eating your plants, then you don't have a good ecosystem here. So I have good and bad bugs. This is a self-watering container, which has really kept the moisture in rather nicely. I put the water through there and it just kind of goes to the bottom, so the plants really, the roots really try and get that water. I've never grown squash before, so this is a yellow squash. I am very new at this, so I was looking up how to prune and hopefully it'll go well. A lot of the discolored leaves I'm going to cut out, like this one, and then a lot of the bottom leaves that aren't getting a lot of sun I'm just going to pull out too. You know, I will have to put this in my compost pile, so make a little pile over here. But oh, so many bugs. This is good. I like bugs. Okay, so I am taking out just any discolored leaves. See how this one's brown here and just kind of really weak, and I don't want the energy of the plant going into this, so it is leaving. I'm just going to go through and do that through the entire plant. And hopefully not cut out anything important. So all these going in the compost pile. Wow, there are a lot of flowers here. I am hoping to get a lot of squash. Hopeful. Okay, if I had to do this all over again, I would just put 2 plants in here, but I did 4 in a container, so that's okay. Okay, so that side. This is growing really well. Everything up here. The good thing is I have tons of bees, so they'll be able to pollinate all these flowers when they do open. There's a few that are already open, but I have tons more coming. See? Look at this yellow leaf. So taking that out, and hopefully we'll make a healthier plant. Okay, you know, come over here. I thought this was a weed. It's basil. Look at this, just, yeah, definitely, that's basil too. This is a weed. But just got some basil, just decided to grow here. Won't be able to eat that because it's in the ground. And I do get the chemical runoff from my neighbors, but this is really cool. So look at all these little baby squashes coming in. When these flowers open, the bees will come in and pollinate it, and because I'm getting rid of a lot of extra leaves, the flowers will be more exposed. Sunlight will be able to get down here more or better, And then I'm opening up some air. I'm letting some air into the plant, and I'm hoping that all these will turn into some delicious squash. So please don't forget to like and subscribe us, and thank you for joining us, and hopefully in the next video I will have big squash to share with all of you. So we shall see. Thanks. Good morning, everybody. This is Susie from Soil Mates of Georgia. Oh, and Cody. Good morning. This is just a follow-up video on the squash that I trimmed or pruned the other day. As you can see, it is so much stronger now that there's light coming in. And I've also added some ladybugs that are doing an excellent job eating the aphids and the white flies, so thank you, ladybugs. And look at these flowers. They are just so much bigger and stronger than the ones were before. And right here you can see a yellow squash beginning to grow, so I'm hopeful this one will not fall off and will be strong, unlike the first ones that I had. But look at, just look at this. The leaves are stronger. It is just looking so much better since I've pruned it. And hopefully I will have some yellow squash to show everybody and a recipe or two. Thanks for watching. Bye.